Welcome to Philosophy in Review. Our topic of discussion today is the philosophy of Ludwig Wittgenstein. Ludwig Wittgenstein was a 20th century Austrian-British philosopher whose work has had a profound influence on a wide range of fields, including philosophy, mathematics, logic, and the philosophy of language. Wittgenstein's philosophy can be divided into two main periods: his early period, which is represented by his book, Tractatus Logico-Philosophicus, and his later period, which is represented by his book, Philosophical Investigations. In his early period, Wittgenstein argued that the purpose of philosophy is to clarify the meaning of language. He believed that many philosophical problems are the result of misunderstandings about the nature of language. In the Tractatus, Wittgenstein attempted to provide a logical analysis of language that would resolve these misunderstandings. In his later period, Wittgenstein abandoned his earlier views on language. He came to believe that language is not a system of representation, but rather a tool for communication and action. He also came to believe that philosophical problems are not the result of misunderstandings about language, but rather the result of our tendency to view language in a way that is too literal. Wittgenstein's later philosophy has been influential in a number of different fields. It has been used to develop new approaches to the philosophy of language, the philosophy of mind, and the philosophy of mathematics. It has also been used to develop new approaches to therapy and education. Here are 4 key ideas from Wittgenstein's philosophy. 1. The meaning of a word is its use in the language. 2. Language is a tool for communication and action. 3. Philosophical problems are the result of our tendency to view language in a way that is too literal. 4. Philosophy is not a theory, but rather an activity of clarification. Wittgenstein's complex and challenging philosophy offers a unique perspective on the nature of language, the mind, and the world. It is a philosophy that continues to be studied and debated today, especially in the context of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. We hope you find this discussion valuable and will like it and subscribe to our channel.